Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn on how to change country or region in Windows 11. Due to some reason, if you want to change the Windows 11 system region or country, this Garip Windows article will guide you. It may happen you have chosen the wrong country region on which you want to test Android apps on your Windows 11 computer. For that, you want to set the country to the US. All you need to do is navigate through the Settings app and change the country or region. Here is how to do it. How to change country or region in Windows 11. Since the Android app support is limited to a few countries only, you might want to change the current region to install the Android app. To set a new country or region in Windows 11, first, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys. Then, select Time and Language category from the left side pane in the Windows settings. On the right side pane, click the Language and Region. After that, in the Language and Region settings page, under the Region section, select your preferred country besides the Country or Region option. When you're done, you can close the Settings app safely. All the changes will be saved automatically. That's it.